Our story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, power locks, power windows, HD radio. Make a great choice today with the 2011 Lancer. Lancer's advanced transmissions, MIVEC engines, and racing-inspired magnesium paddle shifters make every twist and turn an opportunity for fun. Combine that with 7 standard airbags and you'll see that safety and exhilaration come standard and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, floor mats, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.